carefully built our brand and visibility in the Kansas City market and proven ourselves as a contractor to be taken seriously. Our vision over the next 5 years includes ambitious growth, continuing to be innovative, and keeping up with industry trends and technology to meet the changing needs of our clients. We are determined to continue to grow our content and textiles division along with our repairs division. And we are poised for this growth as we just moved into our new 25,000 square foot facility, which also gives us access to another 50,000 square feet if we need it. We are very proud of what we've accomplished and look forward to future growth and continuing to be known as one of Kansas City's top full-service restoration contractors.